Hello guys and welcome to different Russia channel. The shopping is going on. Look guys, there is something new. They installed some food machine.
Заходите в квартиротеку на сайте Ikea.ru в разделе вдохновения и находите
Alex can't choose between the doors. Alex, you should consult your boss and all your problems will be solved. So guys, Alex decided to choose such doors for the wardrobe, for the balcony wardrobe. One of the cheapest models. Let's have a look what they have here. Some drinks. Pepsi, Lipton, Mirinda and water. That is guys something new. I haven't seen before here. Леш, ты видел автомат с напитками?
Нет.
Waiting for Alex, he found lots of doors in one place. Let me show to you. Now he may choose them for half an hour. And I'm sitting here. Not many people. Super cool, guys. Super cool. I was afraid to go because I thought here are crowds of people, but no. Friday evening about 7 o'clock, but not very many people. My son Alex told me that his friend had COVID. His family, so mom and dad, Alex's friend Artyom, and also his sister, all of them were ill. The sister brought COVID from the kindergarten. So, and they all were ill for several weeks. Alex's friend didn't drink any pills, so he had very light illness, almost nothing, without any symptoms. His sister also without symptoms, mom so-so, and dad was in a very bad condition. They even had to call the ambulance several times. So dad was very seriously ill, but luckily all of them could survive. Alex and Chusik.
Это и экономия денег, и новые знания, и привлекательные предложения для вас и вашего дома. Хотите узнать подробнее?
Такие простые вообще. Здоровые. Вот такой вот. А вот этот 50 глубиной. Это здоровый.
The wardrobe for the balcony. Alex, you make too much noise. The wardrobe for the balcony, guys, but it looks like a very, very deep wardrobe. Super fat for small Moscow balcony. Alex has found not a very fat. I think it will be good.
Ну нормальный, да, потому что 500 будет очень здоровый.
Yeah, that was too big. So guys, we bought a lot of everything. Alex bought a wardrobe, a table, writing table, also 2 chairs. I bought also a lot. Look, that is all mine. That is for my black cut, metal cut. That is for filming, for pictures. To take pictures, I will paint them somehow, so with some decoration. That is for teddy bear making. I will use this part. So what else? I think that is all. That is paper, lots of paper for my bookmaking. So I bought lots of everything, and Alex bought today also a lot. Alex, what is the plan? Now we shall leave some parts here, yeah? And some parts we take.
Да, мы с собой возьмем, чтобы пока будем ждать доставку. Мы часть соберем.
So the plan, guys, is to leave the long parts because we can't put them into the car. And such small things, such as a chair, for example, or a small table, we shall take with us. And while waiting for the delivery of the big wardrobe, Alex will construct the table. The delivery will be tomorrow, guys. So today you bring the boxes, tomorrow they deliver. As for people, guys, here not very many people. They have removed the sofas, now only chairs. And not very many people today, also good. Спасибо большое. So guys, what would you say? Do you like it? Some grasses here, you see? And some birds. That is the bird, the flower. Also 2 birds. I think it's super cool. It will give some special atmosphere for filming pictures. So guys, we have found the lamps. The price about $20. The price is about $20, but you cannot find them on the shelves.